gearing up for the next shipment. At Macarena Farms on the outskirts of Bogotá, there's a lot going on. The arrival of the long-delayed free trade agreement between Colombia and the United States means owner Juan Camilo Sanz can now export his roses for less.
It's definitely a positive move for the segment of the economy. We won't have to pay any tariffs in the future, and we won't depend on any agreements.
Colombia is the second largest exporter of flowers in the world and the largest supplier of the North American market. This new agreement means no more duties, but Juan Camilo knows there could be worse to come.
There are some segments of the economy that are going to be, very much affected by the flow of American products into the country.
In the rice region of Tolima, they've worked the land for generations. It's tough work, and the entire economy depends on it.
Colombia produces all of its rice for local consumption. With the agreement, the U.S. will be able to send hundreds of thousands of tons of rice into the country every year. Now, local farmers fear that the cheaper U.S. rice will overwhelm the market and force them out of business.
Owners say in the long term they will reduce production and cut workdays by half.
In all agreements, there are winners and losers. We are the losers. Big producers might be able to adapt, but small farmers will go bankrupt. I don't understand why to benefit some others need to be sacrificed.
In a recent report, the charity Oxfam says the poorest farmers, already affected by Colombia's internal conflict, could lose more than half of their income. That leaves few options.
These farmers are likely to go back to illicit cultivations, like coca, for illegal arms groups, or migrate to the cities, aggravating the urban problems we already suffer from.
The Colombian government says it will take action to defend economic sectors most at risk. It hopes the big free trade deal will ultimately help more than it hurts. Alessandro Rampietti, Al Jazeera, Saldana, Colombia.